Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the image. Duplicate the background and convert that copy to a smart object so you can tweak later. Add a solid color fill with a green hue around 120 degrees and set the layer to color or overlay. This gives the overall night tint. Once done, mask the fill to keep skin tones natural where needed. Make sure to lower opacity to around 30–60% so the effect reads as subtle illumination, not a painted overlay. Next, you sculpt the look. Use curves or exposure to raise midtones slightly and tame highlights so green fills the scene. Duplicate the tinted layer, blur it with Gaussian blur, and blend using screen or lighten to simulate sensor bloom. Add a high pass at low radius if you want crisp edges. Create a new layer, fill with 50% gray, add 1–3% monochrome noise, and set to overlay or soft light to mimic night vision grain. Reduce opacity until it feels realistic. To finish, refine color and focus. Use selective color to deepen greens and slightly remove magenta. Protect yellows to keep skin believable. Add a subtle vignette to focus attention and selectively sharpen eyes or key details to sell the effect. Once complete, flatten a copy for export but keep your smart objects. If the green looks too strong or casts weird hues, mask problem areas or reduce tint opacity. Alternatively, use HSL adjustments on a mask to restore natural tones without losing the night vision feel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.